Alright, so this is you deciding to make a change in your life. Maybe you're starting a new habit or breaking an old one. And this is how you feel for the first few days. But then, a week later, maybe a month, you somehow end up right back where you started. How many times has this happened? 10, 50, 100? So in the next minute, I'm going to show you exactly why this keeps happening, and also a 3-step protocol to make sure that when you change, it stays permanent. Step number 1. The flame. Over millions of years of evolution, your brain has developed one singular purpose: survival. Because thousands of years ago, you stepping into unfamiliar territory could literally get you eaten by a saber-toothed tiger. And your brain today still treats the unknown the exact same way. Starting a business, going to the gym, stop scrolling, to the brain, it's all unknown. And unknown is unsafe. So it quietly pulls you back to what's familiar. And that's why you need a flame that is stronger than your brain's instinct. And to create the flame, ask yourself one question: why is it important that I change? Don't rush the answer, just spend time making it emotional and picture exactly what your future would look like if nothing changes, and make it painful. Because the stronger the reason, the brighter the flame burns. Step number 2. The gasoline. But here's the problem. Even the biggest flames fade over time. And as you start living the change, there will be moments where your brain's gonna be like, let's just go back. And that's why you carry the gasoline with you. So before you even begin the new change, you write your why on a card like this, and then you keep it with you. And then when the temptation shows up, you just pull it out and read it slowly. And just feel it again. Because every time you do, you're pouring gasoline on the flame. Step number 3. The bonfire. So the goal isn't to spend the rest of your life protecting a tiny flame. The goal is to guarantee permanency, and you do that by becoming the flame. And that's what identity does. You're not going to the gym because you're trying to exercise. You go to the gym because you're an athlete. You don't work on your business because you're chasing money. You work on it because you're an entrepreneur. When your identity changes, your actions become who you are. And if you are ambitious but struggling to take action on that dream, check out the link in the description. I'll see you next time.